Hey guys, today we are going to be filming this pocketbook tutorial. I just made this one to find out what we were doing, except for I forgot a step. So here it is. It's kind of cute. So you're going to need a piece of paper. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we are. That is 12 inches by 5.5 inches. Now a regular piece of paper will not be big enough because they're like 11 inches. So I am using a piece of art paper in a big art book. But whatever you have, and it's just like 1/8 of an inch shorter than 12 inches, but it worked because I already made one to make sure. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this into 4 equal parts. So in half first, and then each half in half. Yeah, that's about right. For some reason it looked a lot smaller than it should be. So it should be 4 equal parts. See that? Now from each of these long sides, we're going to draw a line 3/4 of an inch away. So 3/4 of an inch. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to draw a line down, but not into this bottom box here. Now that part will get cut away later. Alright, so this is line AB right here at the bottom. So along line AB, we're going to do 1/2 inch from either side. So there's 1/2 inch. There's 1/2 inch. Now we're going to draw from this line here a line all the way down here, slanting. So like this. And then in this box we're going to do 2 slats. So yeah. You're going to find the middle point. It's not exactly 4 inches, but I kind of just shimmy it in so that I can find the middle here. And then on the middle, let's see, I'm just gonna draw a 1 inch line there and a 1 inch line right below it. And this will be where we will clasp it. And then on the top here, you want to make, according to the plan, a little flap. So I'm gonna draw an inch up, and then above that I'm gonna find the center again, 2 mark, and I'm just gonna draw a little line in the center there. Now you're gonna draw a slant up to the center from those inch marks. And then right here, I'm just gonna freehand draw a little point to tuck into this flap here. You can totally just measure it out. I'm just freehanding it. And now we're going to cut this out. I'm gonna cut off one side. Now for this, you kind of want to accordion this. So let me see. I'm just going to put some marks there. I just approximated those based on the drawing. So I'm just gonna fold that back and forth like this so it kind of looks like an accordion. And this part is what you put the glue on. Let's see. Yeah. And you can fold that up like this and just glue it down. I like to put a little stapler in it since we live in the modern area now. We have staplers. They probably had them back then too. I don't know. Just because I have found that the 1900s probably had better glue than we do. So if you're like me and you forgot to cut your slits until second, you're gonna need one of these. I'm just gonna stick that in there. Stick something in there so that you can cut your slits. There you go. There's the pocketbook. Hope you guys liked it.